This is Ringmaster's 20th year, so we started back in 1997. The boss started in a bungalow in his backyard, and here we are today, still going strong as ever. Over 20 years ago, Craig was writing and there was a big need for graphics, but the only thing available was coming out of the United States at the time, so he saw a good spot in the market and he went for it. We've been in the industry long enough to know what people want. They want a high quality product that's gonna last. They don't want to overspend when they're doing their graphics. There's a bit of a misconception that our graphics are the most expensive out there, but they're actually not now. We're right in the marketplace at the moment. We've got two grades of graphics. We've got a premium grade, which is top of the line. It's what we've always used. It's gonna last and just go on forever. With stickers, it's funny. You'd think that the thinner they are, the better they would mold around plastics. But in fact, the thicker they are, it seems to be a lot better. And this, you can push it down into grooves and it'll stay stuck down. It's not gonna lift. And 10 years later, we've got guys that come here with their bikes and their tank stickers are still like the day they left. We've also got a standard grade that we've introduced. It's just as thick, it sticks just as well, it molds just as well, and when it's stuck down, it will stay stuck down. The only difference is that in some of the high grip areas where you're gripping the bike, it does wear a bit more, but to compensate that, we give clear sheets that you can place in those areas, you can cut them to shape, and it'll make your graphics kit just last and last. All the templating, it's done here in-house. There's a bit of craftsmanship that goes into it, something that you don't see very often anymore. It's something that takes a lot of time, skill. You end up with a much better result in the end. Fits a lot better, it wraps around your plastics perfectly. So we've got a range of standard design graphics. They're going back many, many years. Probably got about 60 or 70 different designs that we can make fit to any make or model. All of those you can see on the website, but we can also go full custom where you can start from scratch. You can say, I like the color blue and yellow and just go for it. We'll do that. Or you can send us inspiration from over in America or Europe. We can work off that. We can do anything you want. The sky's the limit. So we've branched out into action sports, so BMXing, go-karting, mountain biking, and many other sorts of action sports. We're really loving it. It's good to get involved with another new crowd. The BMX stuff, we're loving it. We're pumping it out the door and trying to support as many people as we sort of can. Same with the go-karting. It's fun, it's new, and it's exciting to be involved with. So here at Ringmaster, we've been around for 20 years. We're very familiar with our customer. We know that pricing is a critical thing when doing your graphics, and obviously we take that into consideration to offer you the best price available.